All right, guys, I stole some of my kids' milk. We're making a Grinch pie. I've been seeing these all over the net. Definitely wanted to make it. We got some green pistachio pudding right here. And we're just gonna whisk this up like the directions on the package. Get it nice and thick. Then we'll get that in the fridge to set up. We're gonna go ahead and throw a little red sprinkles in there. Symbolize the Grinch's heart, right? I couldn't find heart sprinkles, but if you can find some heart sprinkles, go for it. We're gonna save a little for the top too. All right, we got our little chocolate pie crust. Let's pour this in. Sprinkles and all. Gonna shake it around, get a little moving and grooving. All right, get this bad boy in the fridge. 20 minutes or so, get it nice and set. Now let's work on that topping. All right, guys, we got our Cool Whip Extra Creamy. We let this defrost. Now we're gonna add a mess of green coloring. And we're gonna turn this green too. And through the magic of television, we have, or telephone, whatever you're watching on, we have our green Cool Whip that we're gonna put on the top of our green pudding. Guys, it's gonna be money, y'all. And of course, you know I'm gonna use a Grinch spatula here. All right, team, pudding is set. Time to get our green whipped cream on. Whoa, that wasn't what I wanted to do. We're just gonna smooth out that Cool Whip, the green Cool Whip. Cool Whip smoothed out. Let's add a little of these green sprinkles over the top to emphasize the green. And, you know, add more sugar to this. And of course, we got our little red sprinkles. There you go. There's a dish. Now I'm gonna let this go back in the fridge and set up just a little bit longer, and we'll chop into it. Got a little Grinch pie going on. Green, Grinchy. Let's go. Okay, we gave it a little bit longer in the fridge. Hopefully it's set up a little bit more. Now it's time to cut into it. Got me a plate. Let's see if we can do this in one piece. All right, could be worse. All right, I'll put in the ingredients and prep down below, but let this set more than 30 minutes a shot. Okay, let's get a bite. All right, team, definitely let this set. I was a little impatient for the video, but let the pudding set for an hour or two. Put that Cool Whip on, let that set for an hour or two. But I was in a hurry. I got to get this video out, right? But let's try it. Gotta tell you guys, I'm not a huge fan of pistachios, but I'm gonna give the okay on this one. You need to make this for your holiday parties because it's good, baby.